Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Man. Today we'll dive into fair comparison between two of biggest AI giants, ChatGPT-4 Omni by OpenAI and Claude 3.5 Sonnet by Anthropic. I will break down their features, strengths, and real-world performance. And by the end, you will see why Claude might be just the smarter choice. When it comes to speed, Cloudy 3.5 Sonnet is a beast. It's optimized to handle even the most complex queries in seconds, whereas ChatGPT Omni can slow down tougher tasks. In fact, users have reported that Cloudy maintains high consistency across tasks, making it ideal for those demanding lightning-fast responses. Cloudy's standout feature is the Artifacts tool, which is a game changer. It allows users to collaboratively build and refine documents, code, and even presentations in real time. It's like Google Docs on steroids but powered by AI. This feature makes Cloudy an awesome ally for coders, content creators, and teams. On the other hand, ChatGPT-4 Omni focuses more on multimodal abilities like processing both text and images, great for visual thinkers, but it doesn't offer Cloudy's dynamic workspace capabilities. Developers, listen up. Cloudy Sonnet outperforms ChatGPT in writing bug-free code right out of the gate and excels in code translation across multiple languages. Anthropic has specifically fine-tuned Cloudy for modernizing legacy systems, which saves tons of time. ChatGPT-4 Omni still holds an edge in offering diverse code solutions, but Cloudy's faster iteration and accuracy can make it a better tool for production environments. Both models have their strengths, but Cloudy's zero-shot capabilities mean it can perform certain tasks without needing as much user guidance or prompt tweaking. Here's where things get spicy. Cloudy 3.5 Sonnet is significantly more affordable, with $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. That's 40% cheaper than ChatGPT-4 offering improved pricing. If you are business or development handling a lot of requests, those savings add up quickly. So, why do I think Cloudy 3.5 Sonnet is the smarter pick? Simple. It's faster, cheaper, and more efficient for professional use. Its collaboration tool, real-time performance, and coding accuracy make it ideal for teams and power users. ChatGPT-4 Omni is still fantastic for general purpose and creative tasks, but if you need speed, precision, and savings, Cloudy Sonnet wins the round hands down. That's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe more for tech breakdowns. And let me know in the comments, are you Team Cloudy or Team ChatGPT? See you in next video.